Okay, got it. Ooh. There's a manual.
Which we don't need.
We got foam balls.
White ones. Ooh.
Containers.
Glue.
We got glue bottles.
I want it.
We got activator with ours. We got colored glitter glue. One spatula.
I'm using this.
And paints. So let's get making slime.
Gloopy.
Activators. The containers.
White one.
So let's get making slime.
This is clear. This is clear.
We
This
got
is white.
activator. We got glue paint stuff. We got paint.
Mine.
Foam balls, colored and uncolored, and bubble wrap.
Oh, these are
and
not foam
containers.
balls. These are not foam balls. Fish beads.
Ooh. So let's get making slime.
I want clear.
I want clear.
Okay, that's just two. Okay.
I'm just gonna do it like this. Ooh.
I want to do the whole bottle. This is hard. This is hard.
This is hard work.
You know, I have an idea. Chill.
Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna take it the normal way. Okay. I can't take it. I'm not doing it this long. I'm just gonna do
What I'm doing. Ooh, that slime is clear.
this clear glue is really clear. You can literally see our table.
Oh no. Let me just rub the glue on my hand.
Okay.
That will be hard later.
Okay.
First we have the customizations.
I want blue.
I want red. Give me the red. Give me.
Ooh.
Only a little bit though.
Ooh. This is really pretty.
It's glue.
This
I'm
is
gonna
really
add it.
pretty.
No, actually no glitter. I want a clear slime with white foam ball.
I also want red.
Actually, oh, these are foam balls. I was wrong. That's purple. Oh yeah, you love purple. I forgot.
And now I want to start mixing mine.
Foam balls. I like foam balls.
I'm going to start mixing mine.
I don't want mine to be clear.
Ooh, this is so pretty.
Oh, the glitter. Ooh. Colors. Why don't you make these two to make a purpley?
Ooh, this is
This is hard to open. That's actually hard to open. I want one of these yellow ones.
ooh, this
I want that one of the big ones.
I'm going to take a blue.
Blue or red? Do that. Okay, this I shouldn't have done. Hey, glue is done enough, finally.
There.
Oh, just do some more left in line. I'm gonna cover these up.
And now I'm going to start mixing this.
Okay, done.
Oh, mine's turning into a dark purple color.
Come on, more glue. There's so much glue in my hand right now.
Oh my goodness, mine's
Activator
turning really
again.
dark. So I'm going to add a bit of white glue to make it a little bit lighter.
Why did the bottle farted?
The bottle farted.
Not us. It's the bottle. I would do the glaze like that.
Okay, I'm going to keep mixing it.
Okay, now that looks actually pretty cool.
Okay, it's starting really pretty.
I don't know. Just
More white, please. Oh my goodness.
okay, that's it. I think that's
Okay.
nice.
Okay, it's turning really light. It's turning lighter.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for her to finish. Actually, I might add the dough, the dough. Just because, it's dough. I like Druid. And no Druid. Even though Red is my favorite. Oh! I would spend the whole video opening that if I didn't know that. Yum. This looks good. For some reason, this looks appetizing to me.
This kind of looks tasty.
Wait. More! I think that's too much.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know. Hopefully I don't regret this. We don't know how strong the activator is. Whoa. I'm gonna activate this white. See that greater slime because of the white still.
I'm gonna need a bit more white.
Where? You know what? Move.
It's supposed to be.
I was about me.
Okay.
Hopefully none of the paint doesn't get on the table. Oh, what else that? The cameraman will tell. Oh, come on, paint. Why? Why am I dumb?
It's pink. He hates pink. Mine's turning into a really pretty purple.
I'm gonna just keep on adding the red paint. Come on. There.
I'm gonna keep mixing it.
Bruh.
It's still pink. That's good enough. And
Well,
now I
it's
think I'm gonna add some activator. Wait. I want some foam balls in mine too.
Wait, what? Rainbow here.
Of course, rainbow.
I want a little bit of yellow to make it better.
My goodness.
Orange is better than pink.
Okay.
Orange is better. Orange is way better. I would like to have orange. Comment below, would you rather have pink or orange slime?
I would have pink.
I'm red. I'm red and orange. I'm red and orange.
I'm purple and pink.
Dude, some of my foam balls got stained by the glitter.
Okay.
Okay, now I need just add more yellow.
I think I should add a bit more white.
Why is it? Come on, yellow. Get out. Get out, yellow.
Come on, white glue. I need help with my slime.
What? Finally, some. Frick you.
Okay.
Okay, that's
I think
probably
I'm pretty good at this.
hopefully my slime. Why did I say slime balls?
It's foam balls, not slime balls.
Hopefully my foam balls don't get stained. Ooh, this
Okay,
is a
I
orange.
think I'm gonna add some activators.
Same.
Okay, I'm gonna
Oh,
add.
I thought it was white slime.
Okay, I'm gonna add teaspoon by teaspoon. This works really fast.
Dude, it does. Oh, I think I added too little. I added it too much. I added a little too little.
I'm trying to not over add activator while he's just eyeballing it. I'm just trying.
Okay. Blue. Oh,
Okay,
I
I'm
need
just
this.
gonna kind of eyeball it now. Oh
Okay.
my goodness, mine's actually starting to form.
Okay, mine needs a little bit more mixture.
Whoa. I think it's time to go in with the hands.
No. Not ready. Ooh.
Can you add some more activator?
For you?
Yes, for me.
Oh my god, that was close.
This is really sticky.
Sorry. Let me just.
No need. Mine's
Fine,
turning
sorry.
in a slime quickly.
My phone broke!
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Thank you,
What?
cameraman.
Look, mine's actually forming.
Okay, this thing is 30 years. Why did I use that stupid plastic spoon when I could have the actually good spatula? Time to go in with my handy boy.
Oh my goodness.
And oh my
We'll
god.
see once ours starts forming. Wait, mine's really forming well so far. Now I need more activator. Now how am I gonna do this?
Help, cameraman, add more activator.
Help.
Cameraman, add. Help us.
Oh.
A little. Thank you, that's enough. Oh my god, this is super sticky.
Thank you.
Thank you, cameraman.
Thank you, person behind the camera.
Oof. Help. Send help, please.
Please send help. If you guys are professionals, we've never done this before, so please excuse us.
Oh my. Oof.
Oh my goodness, mine's actually starting to form.
Sorry, cameraman. The table is.
We'll clean that up later. Mine's actually starting to form.
Mine is too.
Literally. I think I might have overactivated it.
I think I added perfect activator. Actually helps.
Says I said I was trying to measure before. And now I got
eyeball rule. This is fun. Anyway, so hopefully you like the video. We're gonna have to clean up very much after this. So
see you guys later. Bye.
This is good.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays! The reason I used orange is because Christmas, duh.
It's actually red and green, not orange and green.
It's most red.
Hashtag, if you think my slime's better, hashtag rainbow.
Hashtag orange for the win.
Hashtag rainbow for the win.